In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove coins from your watch list on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're tidying up your watch list or just wanting to streamline which coins you're keeping an eye on, these next few steps will have your list sorted out in no time. First things first, we need to open up CoinMarketCap in your favorite web browser. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for CoinMarketCap on a search engine. Landing on the homepage, you'll be greeted by a wealth of information on all things cryptocurrency, from new market trends to updates on individual coins. It can be really overwhelming if you're new, but fear not. Help is at hand. Now that you're on the site, let's navigate to your watch list. You'll find this typically on the menu bar. It will have a prominent icon that looks like a star. A watch list is a great feature if you're invested or interested in investing in cryptocurrencies because it allows you to easily track the coins that matter most to you without sorting through the clutter of data. Once your watch list page is open, you'll see a list of coins that you've been keeping track of. Maybe you added these coins on the fly, wanting to check back on their performance or get updates without having to remember them offhand. But perhaps now your interests have changed, or you just want to focus on fewer coins. Whatever the reason, it's time to remove some of them from this list. To remove a coin, simply look at the coins listed on your watch list and find the star icon next to each one. These stars are not just for decoration, they actually serve as quick toggles. When a coin is added to your watch list, its star icon is filled in. To take a coin off your list, click on this star icon. You'll know it's been successfully removed when the star changes from filled to an outline. And that's it. With this simple step, just 2 clicks away, the coin is now removed from your watch list. This action will not affect the coin's data or standings, of course. It simply means you won't see it in your personalized list anymore. It's a straightforward process, but oh so effective for keeping your watch list perfectly tailored. If you've got a whole bunch of coins you'd like to remove, simply repeat the process for each one. Keeping your watch list neat and ordered helps you stay on top of the cryptocurrencies you're most interested in, enhancing your overall trading and investing efficiency without the distraction of extra noise. So, now you're all set with a streamlined watch list on CoinMarketCap. This straightforward method ensures that you can always have a watch list that reflects your current interests and investment goals. Enjoy the newfound clarity and keep those eyes peeled for the next big opportunity. Thanks for tuning in and happy investing.